What's going on, guys? Fives back at it with another video. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about affiliate networks and how to sign up with one of the most popular affiliate networks, and personally my favorite one, which is of course MAXBOUNTY, which you see on your screen right now. So with that being said, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to go ahead and get approved for MAXBOUNTY, because you do have to get approved. This is one of those affiliate networks that you do have to get approved for. There are a couple out there that you don't. Of course, there's a bunch of affiliate networks out there, CJ Affiliates, ClickBank, etc., etc., just to name a few. But like I said, I like MAXBOUNTY. I like their layout. I like the way they do things, and I like just the website overall as a whole. To me, it's very clean and organized. So I use it a lot for my affiliate marketing. So definitely, I think you guys should as well. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So as you guys can see, I'm on the home page right here at MAXBOUNTY. So let's go ahead and register for an account, and I'll show you guys how to get approved for a MAXBOUNTY user ID account. Okay, so don't have an account, register now. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can of course just enter whatever here, and I'm gonna make sure that this stays there. So just have a company name. I mean, it could be anything. I don't think they care too much here. So I'm just gonna say, FQ Promotions, set a password, set another confirm the password, go to next. You can set a security question. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill out the security and the contact one. Alright guys, we are back. So basically what I did really was fill in boxes 2, 3, and 4 in the tabs above. So security, contact, and address, and this is just personal information that only you will know yourself. So basically, how to contact you, what your address is. I think it also asks you what your Skype information is. So if you don't have a Skype, go ahead and create an account and put your username in there. And if you do have one, just use that, okay? Set up your security questions, all of that normal basic protocol stuff, okay? So with that being said, moving on to tab number 5 with experience. This is the one you're going to want to pay attention to. This is very important here. So it's going to ask you, what is your experience in affiliate marketing, okay? And it's going to give you 4 choices, basically complete beginner, a little bit of experience, some experience, and extremely experienced, okay? Focus on the last 2, okay? Just going to put it out there plainly. Focus on the last 2. I have some experience or I'm extremely experienced. Here's the thing. MAXBOUNTY is not going to want somebody that's not going to help push their affiliate offers, okay? They want to have somebody that knows what the heck they're doing, and they really don't want to train anybody, okay? So you're going to want to come in with some experience, and it's going to give you a much, much better chance of getting approved. So I would very much recommend only picking the last 2. So if you are a complete beginner, or if you only have a little bit of experience, what I would recommend for you is to just take some time, do your research on affiliate marketing, look it up, get yourself familiar with it, and this could not even take you like weeks. It'll take you just a day or 2. You can do it in that much time, okay? Maybe even in a couple of hours if you really go ahead and do it. So whatever you have to do your research on it, and it's not that hard. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments down below. I can help you with that. But like I said, you're going to want to pick one of the last 2. If MAXBOUNTY is going to want experienced people who can push their affiliate offer. So let's pick the third one. I have some experience. Now the next box is going to ask you to describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. So here's where you're going to basically want to talk and put words, of course, words into the computer by typing in what you have done, okay? So basically you're going to want to talk about anything you've done with affiliate marketing in terms of, targeting affiliate offers. So if you ran Facebook ads, if you ran Instagram ads, if you've, done any sort of marketing, you're going to want to put that in here. If you have never done that, then like I said, get that experience of researching what it is, and go ahead and find out what areas you're probably interested in, and go ahead and put that down. But basically anything with regards to, running Facebook targeted Facebook ads, and you can put your affiliate offer in here, or you could talk about other things like Google, Bing ads are great, solo ads are out there, native ads. So there's a bunch of different types of affiliate marketing experiences that you can talk about in here. So basically what I'm trying to say is you're just going to want to know and act like you know what the heck you're talking about. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and that's basically what you put in that box with the past experience. Now, how do you intend to promote your offers? Now, this is where you go into more detail in regards to actually promoting those offers. So you could even have a YouTube channel like I do and say that you're going to promote the offers through your YouTube channel by putting the affiliate links in the description. You can say you're going to create landing pages and have the offers linked through the landing pages. So anything where basically you're promoting the offer, go ahead and put that in here and how you're going to do it. I would recommend landing pages is the best way, because that is one of the most common ways to go ahead and promote offers. You can do email marketing too as well. Email lists are very popular. Like I said, also you can do social media, whether it be Twitter, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram. So those are all great ways to promote affiliate offers, and all of those are great methods and ideas to put in here. Again, you can just research and do that, but you can also take what I'm telling you right here. So go ahead and put that in there. How do you intend to promote offers? So let's move on to what offer are you looking for. Now you can be specific here, or you can just put whatever comes to your mind. You can talk about certain different types of campaigns, business to business. You can talk about business opportunity offers. You can talk about e-commerce type of offers. Anything out there, surveys and whatnot. So this is just specifying, okay, what is your niche in what you're looking for, what type of offers you want, and go ahead and do that, okay? Next up, your website URL. Now, a lot of people get thrown off by this one because a lot of people don't have a website. I didn't have a website either, okay? But I did have a YouTube channel. I put that in there, and it worked for me. So if you do not have a YouTube channel, which you should, I think everyone in the world should have a YouTube channel, create one. And go ahead and put the YouTube channel URL in there. Or if you have a website, great. Just put your website URL in there. But again, you do not need an actual website to go ahead and put in here. So go ahead and put your YouTube account. And that's what I did, okay? Next question, is this account for incentive traffic? Say no, okay? Incentive traffic basically means you are going to be giving your audience something in return for, clicking on your offer or buying your offer, whatever. You're not going to do that, so just say no, and then you don't have to describe the incentive. So there you have it, folks. That is what you need to do to be able to fill out all of these forms and to get approved for Max Bounty. One other thing I do want to point out is there will also be an interview from somebody calling you from Max Bounty, okay? So whenever you indicated on your contact when to contact you, that's when they'll do it, and somebody will reach out to you. So what do you need to know about this interview? It's going to be pretty quick, pretty short. All they're going to really want to know is basically the same thing you kind of put in the boxes over here, which is, talk about, your affiliate marketing experience, how you heard about Max Bounty, and basically how do you intend to promote the offer. So basically it's the same thing. Just know what the heck you're talking about, folks. That's pretty much all I'm going to say, and you should be fine after that, okay? So it's pretty quick, pretty short. Be concise and just hit the keywords that I mentioned to you guys, and just go from there. So they're just going to want to know how you're going to promote it. And this is just to know that, hey, they're not talking to some robot. They're not talking to some automated machine that's trying to get approved and whatnot. They just want to make sure it's a real person that's going to really go ahead and promote those offers. So there you have it, folks. That is how you get approved to Max Bounty. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. If you guys give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. As always, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and thank you for watching.